If Jesus were here today, would he wanna go surfing, take friends to the beach on any given day? Would he come to California, or drive a Woody down PCH, or hang 10 on Waimea Bay? Do you need to use a surfboard? You can walk upon the water, surfing, whoa, surfing with Jesus, surfing, whoa, surfing with Jesus, surfing, whoa. If Jesus were here today, would he wanna go surfing? Do you think that he would play beach volleyball? Wear a neat pair of sandals and a cool set of shades. Got it all figured out, 'cause he knows all. Well, let's go down to the beach house. He'll turn some water into wine. Surfing, whoa, surfing with Jesus, surfing, whoa, surfing with Jesus, surfing, whoa. If Jesus were here today, would he wanna go surfing? Would he have a computer in his home? Would he send email messages from a Wi-Fi zone? Use live stream or text on his telephone? Hey dude, let's pick up a pizza, then check out the World Wide Web. Surfing, whoa, surfing with Jesus, surfing, whoa, surfing with Jesus, surfing.